Look at this character. 写 and 血. Which is correct? Both of them are correct, but different pronunciation has different meanings. 写 common spoken Chinese words. 出血 流血 血 is standard, formal, medical reading. 血液 血压 Now practice with me. 出血 Your turn. 流血 血液 血压 好 Now, can you try to say this? 好 Again. 好 So can you say all of this correctly? Let's see the answer. 出血流血血液血压 Did you say this correctly? 好，今天就写到这里，谢谢大家的观看，再见。